Check it out, Jeff. Pretty cool or what?
First one of the day, brother.
Thank you, man. Let's go. We're just getting our day started. Truck's right here.
Choice.
Can't wait to go find some more.
See what Chris found here.
A little thick. Alright. What do you see?
Oh!
Oh, mama.
Nice, Chris. Nice.
Dude. What did I just find, Jess?
Oh, that's ultimate.
Look at that sucker, dude. Look at that base on there, dude. First brownie of 2024, elk shed. Let's go, baby. Jesse's here. We're gonna try and match them up. What do you guys think of that?
Quest continues. Find the other side.
Yeah. It came right here. We seen something. It was, we thought it was a bone. He ended up finding a dead head. Where's this dead head?
Here's the dead head.
Here's the dead head. Pick that up.
Old dead.
Oh my God, Jesse.
There we go.
Holy cow, dude. Thank you. I don't know if it is.
Bull.
Huh?
It's a different bull.
It's different.
Oh.
Maybe. It's
See
smaller.
me on there? Oh, look at that.
Pick it up. What do you think? Smaller?
Oh.
We're gonna have to put them together. I think it's smaller. Good job, bro.
Yeah.
Stud, dude.
Nice.
Nice.